This is Mr. Higgins here, sharing these Google form multiplication quizzes I've created. I use them in my class too, and they're great for 4 reasons. One, they auto grade everything for you. Two, they collect the students' names automatically because when you click this gear, it collects their email addresses. Never worry about no names again. Yippee! Three, you can import the grades lightning speed with a click of a button into your Google Classroom grades. And then four, you can export those grades after importing them. No, you can just export them into your gradebook that's online on Google Sheets directly from the Google form. Let me show you. First, let's run through the quick quiz. Is sixes, and so it multiplies 6 times each factor, 0 through 9. I don't do 10s, 11s, and 12s because I just want them to get the basics down first. It says a total of 20 questions, 20 points. And it auto grades and gives them immediate feedback in an addition sentence form. Hey, 4 times 6 isn't 16. Look at it, 6. 4 times 4 sixes. Now, how do I get this to a Google Sheet for my gradebook? Here's how. When you click on responses up top, you click on this green button. And when you click it, it'll say create a new spreadsheet or import or export or whatever it says to a current spreadsheet. I make it go to a spreadsheet I've been working on. And so let me show you why it's great. So we start with the zeros, then ones, twos, threes, and you can see who's doing well. The only thing you have to do is if someone misses the quiz for some reason, you have to be sure you fill in a row where their name should be. So you had to just click insert row below, and then you have a roster in alphabetical order. To make this alphabetical order, it's really simple. You just click data sort from A to Z. After you sort it from A to Z, you see who's missing. You insert a row, put that person's name. Let's say it's Billy. Oops, let me click right here. Let's say it's little Billy. You put Billy Higgins missed it. And that keeps everything in order because what you're going to do is when you get finally to the end of the trimester to show parents' grades, what you do is you just copy each column of the total score. Copy, yada, yada, yada. And then you paste it here. So here's how, let's say, okay, look at student A. Student A, start off doing okay, and then boom, really did some great jobs with 20 out of 20s. They pretty much know it. But you can look at student C, student 13 over here struggling and things like that. So super simple. Now, how do I get this into Google Classroom? Well, you post the form in Google Classroom, and then let me show you my Google Classroom. So I took a screenshot of it because I can't show you the students' names. And so what you have to do is click this button that says import grades. It'll import all the grades from the Google form and boop, put them and put them already in your Google Classroom. So all you need to do is click return, and that'll email the students and I think their guardians if the guardians signed up. That's simple. And so there you have it. You have the Google form, auto grading, collecting names automatically, exporting the grades to your gradebook on Google Sheets, and then you can import them as well to Google Classroom. All super simple. The only thing you have to do really on your part is insert what students were missing so that you can keep all the rows and columns exactly the same to copy and paste for an overall grade report at the end of the trimester in one spreadsheet. And that's it.